Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. I'm gonna show you how to install Tor Browser in Kali Linux. Let me explain you little about Tor Browser. The Tor browser is a web browser that anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. Now, let's start the installation process. It may take a while to update your system. It may take few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Now let's get connected to Tor and see how it works. Let's check if it is working or not in our system. And here we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. See you on next video.